Alright, so here is the best settings for OBS. So after applying these settings, you won't see any lags on your recording, and your recording will be very smooth and clean. Just make sure you follow along. So first up, you need to open OBS and then go to settings and then go to output. Set output mode to simple, and then recording quality should be high quality and medium file size. Now here it gets important. On your recording format, just make sure it's MKV, and your encoder hardware should be NVENC if available. Otherwise, put it as otherwise software X264. Now you gotta go to settings and then video and then base resolution, your screen resolution, and then output resolution should be 1920 x 1080, and then downscale the filter to Lanczos. And then FPS should be 60, or use 30 if your PC lags. And then go to settings, audio. Simple rate should be 48 kHz, and then desktop audio should be default. Mic audio, it should be your microphone, and then go to settings, advanced, and then process priority, and then put it on above normal. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.